Alright, what's up mga ka-G? So another G-Day here at G-Spot Autoground, and today's Sunday, day 2 of DC King Time Attack Trial Competition Championship. So therefore, we need to go back to the track. DCRA, today is the final qualifying day sa imuhang oras. So hopefully, mabit na to ang ato ang previous nga time, and mas mo less pa nga atong oras and musaka ta sa rank. See you DCRA, and to everyone, yun.
Marami pa pong
sugod na sila sa mga Titan bracket.
Ang dami pa pong magagaling na races
kay Albert
dito.
Say hi guys.
First run pa lang. Mas
Okay.
bumaba pa.
Yan.
Yung segundong nakuha niya
Mas
ngayon
baba.
kesa kahapon.
Congrats boss.
And let's see. Itong si...
Pre, say hi.
Tingnan natin.
Albert Poro, Twice Total
Kung
Sports.
kaya bang tapatan?
Isa sa mga gina-idol
Kung
natin
kaya
sa
bang
track.
paiklin ng first.
Okay ni.
Pinakaunang pumasok sa ating race track. at mundo.
Ano yung mentor na to, Bert? Mentor? Ano? Kuya, mentor. Ayun.
Next car.
Solid kayo, no? Tingin nga race car. Ano masasabi mo, mentor? Ano masasabi mo, mentor?
Kaya talunin ni Albert yung 50.
Guys, mau gini kuyaw guys. Kuyaw gini sa car scene guys. Mau gini gina idolo ng lahat. Tito Roy Ben Crudo. Hi sir. The Challenger Master. Angelo Colod of Team Evade Classic. Okay, itong Dodge Challenger.
Yan na, papasok.
Hellcat.
Ito nga ba magwawagay sa ating Milano Bonilla Plus?
Go-kart na rin.
Tingnan natin.
And then napot tayo 370Z. Ayan. Alright. Then some of the attendees, mga racers. So yun. Dito mga kay Miguel How, Subaru Mustang.
There we go!
Subaru,
And team the line, number
mga Yaris.
87.
And then mga hatch. Team
Going outside of our racetrack.
Puros na hatchback guys.
Palabas na.
So
Hindi natin ang
EJ,
official time.
Mirio,
Sir Joe.
and Yaris. Yan, tuwara to dito. Nasa gilid, nagtago-tago.
Alright.
Ayan ang mga sound system. And then, dari naman is line up nila Boss Ramon, Blue Integra, and then FK8, Boss Ramon of GTV. Boss Agi lang. Eh, yan, dito sila Brian. Twist, Mac Toyok for warming up tires. Ang pagkaunan guys, and this is the parking here. Together with BYD. Kani guys, mao gini silang great tandem sa BTW. The tandem of BTW. And guys, we have Papa Pilit here together with G-Spot JJ, no? Para ligo ng atong bumper just in case.
The track.
Yes. Oh, good luck with Boss Kyle of Classic. Sabi guys, kay Integra. Ayun, so pro class na, no? Line up na ta kay sulod ba ito sa pro class. Kumano lang na tong bumper. Let's go. Ayan guys, we're here, no? Lining up na ta. And we are fourth car from the pro classes. And have a safe race. Salamat. Salamat. So good luck everyone. Thank you Kuya Weng. And good luck everyone. And have a safe race. Whoop! My idol ski. Magpa-aircon diri. Mga Marshall nga gabahis-bahis lang. Organize. So ayun guys, no, we're done, and as you can see, ang plano nga pro class lang, which is 1 minute flat, nahimo mahinoong 59, just ko Lord. Ayan guys, 370Z Nismo, Nissan, kuyo na ni nga mga lineup, sports car na ni guys, FK8, ayun, type A, and then Integra DC5 by Boss Ramon GTV. Shout out Ramon Guerra. Shout out boss. Good luck. Ayan, so this one is FK8, the iPod Type R pod. Alright, so yun, and the rest itong view together with Sir Godwin. Yes, the coach, one of the coach of the CRA. So we're here, Nissan, and Integra, FK8, Ayo, Ako ra ay ang kuan ako sani. Dula na pud sila og off-road together with Team Hypercoat. Ayan. Yes. Oh, diba? Let's go. Ayan. Kaya mag-racing na together. 2 car. Racing yun, racing. Ay, ginokdanay. Sila. Subaru. Di ba, gain na ako, 105? Nag-podium bay. Kaya mo-motivate ang G-Spot. Pag iyon na mo na, 105, kaya ni mo na. Aswaton ka na mo. Aswaton. So the only lady driver sa truck, si Madam Adi of Hypercoat, using Honda Fit. Midnight couples, si Kim and Gia. Alright. Ayun guys, nagre-racing na naman sila. CRV versus EG. Ano yung kinogdanay? Sir, time sa sir, bawal mag-video diri sir. Hello. Nice to see you bro. Manzor, the mentor. Yeah. Diyan ka pala, sir. Ivan. The Mitty Hilux. Choose your poison. Purple ko, purple. Saman? 70. Purple ako 70 ha. Unsa man mo 53 na lang atong black. Ano, sir? Coach Leo.
70. Ready for ambush.
Ayun, ambush run. Nani? Guys, the awarding plaque is here. And mag-observe ta sa mga naka-podium guys. Ayan. 1 and 2 and 3. Let's go. Kita wala ta ka podium kay nag-breakout ang 1 minute gihimong 59 seconds. Ayan. So supposedly dapat 1 minute flat lang ta para maka-podium ta sa pro class. However, ni sulod ta og elite class. So ayun, Tito Roy. Sinasabi ko na nga ba eh. So this is the winner of sport class. Ano yung pro class. And so congratulations guys, Nico, Boss Kyle and Sir Bobot.
We have Sid, the 2 point.
Ano sila ang champion sa elite class, 56, 57 and 58. The best time, the champion 54. Titan class, Carlo Aguilar.
Our overall champion for the DC King Super Love Series 2026, League 1, Battle Circuit.
So ayun guys, we're rolling out from this area together with Kim and Zia. So bawit ta sunod, kinag-breakout man ta, sobrang tag 2 seconds. Lagi, overqualified. So, instead 1 minute, nahimo ang 59 seconds. So nalapas ta sa pro class. Ayan, let's go. All condition yung nasa kinan guys. Maka-aircon pa kagihapon sa Honda Civic FD na to. So yan, thank you DZRA and congrats to all the winners. And sunod na pod. And thanks G for giving us a safe racing. G! Guys, we're here to reel together with Classic. Sila Boss Kyle, narito na. And then si Manzor behind the wheel. So, safe and sound. So ayun guys, pagabot sa Davao nagpakarwas din ta kay Murad ugaw na kay siya. Ayan, from the track. So ayun guys, we're done from DCRA, no? And naada yung tapok-tapok together with behind the wheel. Kaso si Mansor niuli na. Kay birthday sa lo, di ba? Behind the wheel, Team BTW. Car talks lang and tambay. Alright? G. Alright, what's up mga kaji? So ayun guys, racer number 44 or race car number 44 has been successfully arrived at G-Spot Underground safe and sound, no? So as you can see guys, all done na yun ang DC King time attack competitions. As what we have scored 59 seconds na, no? From our previous score which is 1 minute and 1 second. And sa leadership board na to, I think we are on top 10, top 11 ata. Good thing guys, we're all safe, no? And all the racers are safe, wala na injured. So thank you once again DCRA for hosting the event and providing all the organizers and tools para sa inyong racing. See you next time everyone, sa mga racers and sa mga champions. Congratulations sa mga naka-podium. Alright, and sa mga naka-breakthrough sa ilang time o sa mga naka-breakout sa ilang time, congratulations gyapon because nalampasan ninyo ang inyong previous time. So yun, and that's all here at G-Spot Undergrounds. Another car, another racing day.
Sticking in this bitch, huh? You know what it is.